Press the On button to access the home screen. Access the cleaning menu by pressing the menu button 4 times. Only on models with self-clean option installed. Press the down button and choose the mode with the select button. Mode 1. Rinse. Time, 3 minutes. Press the back button to return to the clean menu. Press the down button and choose other mode with select button. Mode 2. Short. Duration 23 minutes. Repeat the above process and select another cycle. Mode 3. Large. Time, 29 minutes. Repeat the above process and select detergent load. Detergent load. Time, 35 seconds. Recommended before the first cleaning. Now select the desired clean cycle and press the Start button.